Hey there, guys. Chet here. Now, if you use Microsoft Outlook for your email, you probably spend a lot of time managing your inbox. What if you could automate things like saving attachments or creating calendar events from emails? The first step is to connect n8n to Outlook, and I will show you just how simple it is today. Connecting n8n to your Outlook account is incredibly straightforward thanks to a modern and secure sign-in process. You don't have to worry about creating developer apps or copying any API keys. The entire process is handled directly between n8n and Microsoft, which makes it both easy and very safe. To make the process as smooth as possible, it is a good idea to sign into your Microsoft Outlook account and another browser before we begin. Now, with our Outlook account ready, let's jump over to n8n and get our workflow started. From the n8n dashboard, I'll click on the Create Workflow button to get a fresh start. Every workflow needs a trigger, so I'll add a manual trigger for now. Next, I'll click the plus button to add a new node. In the search bar that just appears, I'll type Outlook. You'll see the Microsoft Outlook node appear. Now let's click on that. N8n will now show you all of the things that you can do with Outlook. To get the connection settings, we just need to choose any action. Let's click on the first one. Now this brings us to the settings panel for the Outlook node. You will see a field for credential to connect with. We need to create a new one. So I'll click the drop-down menu and select Create New Credential. This will open the connection window, and here you will see there are no fields to fill out. The only thing you need to do is click the Connect My Account button. This is the action that starts the secure handshake between n8n and Microsoft. As soon as you click that button, a new tab or window will open from Microsoft. Because we're already logged in, Microsoft recognizes us. It will now show a permission screen. This screen lists exactly what permissions n8n is asking for, like the ability to read your emails or also to manage your calendar. To continue, all you need to do is click the Accept button. This tells Microsoft that you trust n8n and approve the connection. After you click Accept, you will then be taken right back to n8n where you will see a confirmation message that your Outlook account is now successfully connected. And that's all it takes. Your Outlook account is now ready to be automated. So if you found this video useful, I go a lot deeper inside of my school community. I built a complete n8n course where you'll learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems, plus live calls and exclusive templates that you will not find anywhere else. I've put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.